Well, hello, and here today on the Rusty Glove Box, what we're going to do to try to beat this summer heat is I'm going to install a couple of big oscillating fans. One of them's a 20-inch and one of them is a 30-inch. So these are both pretty good sized fans and should be really helpful in the workshop. Well, here's the two fans that I'm going to install, and the one that I'm showing you here, that's going to be the 30-inch outdoor oscillating fan. But it's going to be inside the shop. It moves a lot of air. And here is the other one, a 20-inch oscillating wall-mounted fan, and they're both pretty good size and they work really well. Well, this first fan I'm installing, it's the 24-inch Tornado oscillating fan. Real simple mounting base, and I'll get right in and we'll just see how easy it is. Well, this is the base, and I drilled a couple of more holes vertically. It had them horizontally left and right. But up there on the wall, I already kind of pre-drilled a pilot hole, so this would go up pretty easily. All right, we got our first lag bolt in. I pre-drilled the hole for the stud, and I'm gonna get the second one in. And then I believe it's gonna be pretty much, let's set the fan on it. All right, well, this base, it also came with a little cover that you could install, and it kind of cleans it up in appearance. You don't see those big lag bolts on the main bracket. Well, here's the 24-inch Tornado fan in operation, and I tell you what, it was really a pretty simple installation. Just make sure you're close to a plug, and man, you're set to go. It doesn't have to oscillate all the time, but that's a nice feature. You can just make it directional, but anyway, I think I'm going to really like it. Now, this is my second oscillating fan. This is OEMTOOLS. This is a big one. This is 30 inches, and it also oscillates. And so we're just real close to installing this one. This bracket, it pretty much installs much like a shelf bracket, but it has some really big lag screws, and I have it screwed into a wall stud. And so it's good and solid, and I don't think I'm going to have any problems with it. Here's the 30-inch fan, and it does a good job. It will cover a larger area. It's a 3-speed oscillating fan, and it does a good job too. I think I'm going to like it. This is the 20-inch as I have it mounted, and it does a good job oscillating and moves quite a bit of air. And I think it's pretty good if you were going to mount it somewhere close to a workbench, something like that. I have a little machine shop area, drill press, lathe, all of that. And that's a real hot spot. So anyway, this little lathe, and this little fan will do a good job moving some air around. Well, I tell you what, that went pretty well, and overall, I'm really happy with it. So anyway, maybe these fans will kind of help kick this heat just a touch. So anyway, I appreciate y'all coming by the shop today. This is Rusty Glove Box, and I'm out of here.